welcome to my channel. I'm Giselle. Welcome. Today we have a tutorial on the look that I have on right now. I am going to be using some products from an indie brand, and they are Glamourpuss. They sent me a few products to try out, and some of these products were their eyeshadow palette, which I have right here, and these are all shimmer shades and they are gorgeous. She also sent me two of her liquid lipsticks. These are the shades for the lipsticks that she sent me. I'm wearing the purple one right now. And she also sent me the eyebrow pencil, which I used in the tutorial. And now without further ado, let's get to this tutorial. I'm gonna go in and fill in my brows with the Glamourpuss eyebrow pencil. And this is, oh, the color was on the box, but I'm just going to fill my brows in with it. I think this is color number 2. Now I'm gonna go in with the Studio Finish from MAC, and I'm using this in NC45, and I'm gonna put it on my brows. For my base today, I'm going to use MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC42. I'm gonna go in with the shade Koji, which is this orange pink, I think. Now with a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. I think I got this brush from one of my Ipsy bags. It's I have no idea what it says, so just use your best fluffy brush, okay? Or your favorite, I should say. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Ify, and it's like this really pretty dark purple. now going back with that fluffy brush that I put Koji on, I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that color, tap the excess off, and I'm going to blend the edges of this purple a little more. Now I'm gonna go into this pretty palette right here by Glamourpuss, and it's all shimmers and it's super pretty. I think I'm going to use these two shades right here for sure, and I'll make sure to just let you guys know on the screen what I'm using. I'm gonna attempt to cut my cut crease again. This is like nerve-wracking to me because I just feel like it never looks right because my eyes are so hooded. I'm gonna go in with the pink shade right here in the center. And I'm pressing it. I'm gonna use it with my finger. There we go. This brush is not picking it up. And I'm gonna do the greens on the sides. I'm gonna go back on that deep purple and place it on the outer parts here. And I'm gonna do a little bit on this inner part too. It's coming together. Let's do the other eye. And I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. So the eyes are on and I really like the way it turned out. I went ahead and I did my liner and lashes, and the lashes are from Obsession Luxury Lashes by Bay. I've used them on my channel before, and this is in the style Sophia. They're super pretty. And then I went ahead and on my waterline I put a black pencil from Pixie, and I used the colors that I had on my crease on the bottom, so that pink and the dark purple, that's what's under my lashes. For the glitter on my crease, I'm using this glitter from Urban Decay, and it's in Cat Call, and it's their heavy metal glitter, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. Y'all, I like the way my eyes turned out. I was like, girl, this looks a hot mess, but it turned out cute or whatever. So I'm going to go into my inner corner, and I'm going to go back to the Glamourpuss palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here, and it's like a really pretty gold champagne color. And my brush is a little bit wet. This is super pretty. So she sent me these two shades right here for liquid lipsticks, and I'm going to be using the purple one. Okay everyone, so this is the look. I am absolutely so in love with it. Like love, love, love the way this turned out. The colors are gorgeous. The palette is super pretty. They're like creamy eyeshadows. So when I put my finger to it, it's really creamy. There we go, see that? It doesn't look powdery at all, like it's just seamless on the skin. I'm going to swatch some of the colors, not all of them. Let's see here. Oh, let's do it this way. Like they go on super smooth. And they're absolutely gorgeous on. Like when I put my fingers to them, I was like, oh my god, they're so pigmented. Ooh, this gold right here, I gotta use it the next time I do my makeup. Like, it's so pretty. So thank you Glamourpuss for sending these over. Super pretty. Wishing the best with the rest of your launches and, you know, with the business. What do you guys think? Like, let me know. Let your girl know in the comment sections what you think of this look. So for today, this is all we have. If you have not done so yet, you already know. Make sure to subscribe. Let's keep the channel growing and show a little bit of support for your girl, okay? And thumbs up so that I know that you are enjoying my videos. This was your girl Giselle. I'm checking out. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.